Imagine a world where electric cars rule the roads and homes run on solar energy. The clean revolution runs on batteries, which are now essential for a sustainable future. In an era defined by rapid technological change and global competition, China has captured the spotlight as a powerhouse in economy and technology and playing a key role in global energy solutions. The demand for batteries worldwide is growing quickly because modern technology relies heavily on batteries. The most significant reason for the growing demand for batteries is the fast rise in electric vehicles. Many countries aim for greener transportation to cut down on carbon emissions. More people are buying EVs. For this purpose, they need big batteries, which range from 30 kilowatt-hours for small cars to over 100 kilowatt-hours for trucks and buses. As the world moves toward renewable energy like solar and wind, efficient energy storage is crucial. Batteries help store energy when production is high and distribute it when demand is high or production is low. Smaller battery systems for homes and businesses are in demand because they provide reliable power when the main energy source stops working. The need for batteries in devices like smartphones, laptops, tablets, and wearables is rising because these gadgets require power that lasts a long time and works well. Batteries are becoming increasingly common in various industries such as uninterruptible power supplies, telecommunications, and industrial machinery for requiring dependable power to ensure their operations run smoothly and efficiently. Hence, the global order for batteries is expected to continue growing rapidly due to their numerous benefits. China's dominance in raw materials is a big part of its global industrial strategy. It's crucial in the worldwide market for lithium. The country has a lot of sources. It owns land and invests in mining in places like Australia and Chile. Companies like Tianqi Lithium and Ganfeng Lithium are major players in mining and processing lithium around the world. The Democratic Republic of Congo produces the most cobalt worldwide, which is important for batteries. Chinese companies like China Molybdenum and Huayu have invested heavily in mining there, helping it control much of the world's cobalt supply. Nickel is a key part of batteries. In the worldwide market, China plays a crucial role and has numerous places where they refine it. Chinese companies have put money into mining nickel all around the world to keep a steady supply. More than 70% of the world's rare earth elements are made in China. These are super important for high-tech applications like electronics, magnets, and green energy technologies such as wind turbines and electric car batteries. China produces and uses more steel than any other country in the world. Steel is made from iron ore, which is a key raw material. Because of its huge demand for steel, it has a major influence on the global market for iron ore. Most of the world's solar panels are made in China. The country is really good at it and produces a lot compared to other countries. It also makes a key material called polysilicon that's essential for solar cells. It uses more copper than any other country in the world. This affects global copper prices and trading because this country is so important in the copper market. This country is really powerful in these materials and industries because it has planned well, made smart rules, and has a big influence on markets. This makes them very strong economically and politically worldwide. By having impressive manufacturing capabilities across various industries, this country becomes a dominant force in the world's production over recent years. They have really big factories that can make a lot of stuff quickly and cheaply. Here, everyday things like electronics, clothes, and other gadgets that people use are made with care. Chinese factories have started using new technologies like robots and computers to make things faster and better. This helps them work more efficiently. China has invested heavily in building roads, factories, and manufacturing facilities where goods are made. Many global companies depend on them to produce parts and products for other countries. In short, they are really good at making a lot of things using advanced technology and sell these products all over the world, which makes them a big player in global manufacturing. In battery production, advanced technologies are used. Raw materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel are important for making battery parts, sourced from both domestic and international suppliers. These elements undergo processing to meet purity and quality standards. They are mixed to form a paste, spread on foil, and dried to create positive and negative electrodes. These electrodes, along with a separator, are rolled up and placed in a cylindrical or rectangular case. The case is filled with a special liquid electrolyte, enabling ions to move during charging and discharging. Once sealed, batteries undergo initial testing to ensure performance and energy capacity. Components are grouped into modules and then into larger packs, which include battery management systems for safety and monitoring. Strict testing follows to ensure durability and functionality in various conditions before batteries are distributed to industries. The Chinese government has been important in supporting the battery industry by giving money and support through subsidies, grants, and good rules to encourage making things in China and trying new ideas. The government has given a lot of money to electric car makers and battery companies to help them grow and make more batteries. China's strategic planning, such as the Made in China 2025 initiative, emphasizes the development of the new energy vehicle sector and battery technology as key areas for achieving global competitiveness. China has taken significant steps to improve environmental and ethical practices, set strict regulations to reduce pollution and enhance air and water quality, alongside investing heavily in renewable energy like solar and wind power. Innovation in green technologies such as electric vehicles and smart grids is a priority. Also, works on ethical labor practices, tackling issues like child labor and improving workplace safety. Participate in global agreements for environmental protection and respond to increasing consumer demand for sustainable products. Challenges remain, but China is making notable progress. China faces several challenges from other countries. Some nations in the Asia-Pacific region express concern about its increasing influence in disputes over land and oceans. Economically, there are worries about unfair trade practices and intellectual property theft, leading to disagreements with Western nations. Many criticize its treatment of minorities and dissenters. China's initiative to build roads and ports in other countries raises fears that these nations could become indebted or lose control. Pollution from its factories is a global concern. Some countries fear espionage or misuse of technology. Some countries and human rights groups are concerned about how China handles things like censorship, forced work in places like Xinjiang, and its actions in Hong Kong. These challenges underscore the complexity of China's relationships with other nations, marked by competition, cooperation, and occasional conflicts. In the next few years, China has big plans for the future in global markets. They want to lead in technology like AI and 5G, also investing in green energy to reduce carbon emissions. This country is also building connections through projects like the Belt and Road Initiative, aiming to boost trade between Asia, Africa, and Europe. In manufacturing, they aim to stay strong and expand their influence in global supply chains. Additionally, they are working to grow their financial power and explore space, showing ambitions to shape the world's future in many ways. The government is supporting this growth with policies that encourage innovation and investment in research, but there are challenges too, like rules from the government, tensions between countries, and competition worldwide. Despite these challenges, China's tech future looks bright because of its advances in technology and plans to stay strong in the global market. This is all about how China achieves global influence. Invest a lot, use advanced technology, and work hard to succeed. To become even stronger, China can keep investing in research, improving education, and working with other countries. What do you think China should do next to increase its power? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more interesting videos.